Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the topic number 3rd, that is called as nitrations. So today we discuss the topic that is the reaction number 3rd of electrophilic, or we can say the electrophilic of reactions of ether. So we take the point number 3rd, that is called as a nitration. So what is nitrations? The process in which we added a nitro group, it means the NO2 group called as a nitro group. So the process in which we added a nitro group called as a nitrations. Okay. The question asked in examination, define the nitration. So the process in which we added a nitro group in any chemical reactions called as a nitration. Here we added a nitro group in the ether. It is called the aromatic ether, for example N-azole. So we added a nitro group in the what here? The N-azole called as the nitration of aromatic ether or N-azole. Now we take the example how the reaction take place when a nitro group is react with N-azole. So we take the reactions that is called as the what? So when N-azole means aromatic, what is aromatic? Ether. So when N-azole is react with nitric acid HONO2, it's also write in the form of what here? HNO3. Both group are act as what here? Nitric acid. This reaction especially take place in presence of nitrating mixture. वन मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आता है बेटा आपको, डिफाइन द नाइट्रेटिंग मिक्सचर्स. सो the two different types of a substance that is called as a concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 called as the sulfuric acid. These two chemical are act as nitrating mixture. Clear beta? So we added a CONC means concentrated HNO3 and we take the second here the concentrated H2SO4. These two reactant these two catalysts are act as what here? The nitrating mixture. What here? The nitrating mixture. Okay. So these nitration process are take place in presence of nitrating mixture, that is called as what here? In presence of concentrated HNO3 means sulfuric nitric acid, and second the concentrated sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. Now what happens in these reactions? So we take here this N-azole means aromatic ether called as what here? N-azole. So this N-azole is react with the nitric acid. Okay, it means the nitration means what? The process in which addition of NO2 group means nitro group called as the nitration. It means these we take the two molecule of nitric acid. What we take here? So 2 molecule of nitric acid and 2 molecule of N-azole is reaction take place. You know in the N-azole the CH3 group are called as the plus I effect, and these plus I effect are increase the density of electron toward the ortho and para position. It means the incoming group, it means the NO2 group attached to carbon number second called as the ortho position, and carbon number what here? Fourth called as the para position. Clear? It means one molecule N-azole is react with a one molecule of a nitric acid in which the nitro group means NO2 group attached to first molecule to the ortho position and second molecule to the what position here? The para position. Now we get two products, one is called as minor and second is called as major. Which is a minor and which is a major? You know that the para product is also the major and the what here? The ortho product is called as what here? The minor products. Okay. So now we take the reaction. First this OCH3 as it is, a ring also as it is, the incoming nitro group attached to one molecule and is called what here? The ortho. So name is called what here? 2-nitro N-azole. We get a first product plus second molecule OCH3 attached to benzene ring as it is and the incoming nitro group attached to carbon number what here? The 4 called what here? Para position. So we added a 2, it means 4 nitro, what here? 4 nitro anazole. Okay, that's why. And losses of what here? And losses of which molecule? We losses here the water molecule 2H2O. Clear? Okay, so in this way the process of nitration take place on the aromatic ether called as anazole. Clear? Now we recall first here, what is nitration? The process in which addition of a nitro group in the aromatic ether, especially anazole, called as a nitration. In this process we added a nitro group as a electrophile toward the what here? First molecule of anazole of ortho position. So we get what? Ortho nitrophenol or 2-nitrophenol or 2-nitroanazole, and second molecule of anazole react with the second molecule of nitric acid. This nitro group attached to the which position of the anazole? At the carbon number 4 called as the para position. So we get a para nitroanazole. So in this way the process of nitration are take place toward the what here? Aromatic ether or anazole. Clear? Now we take the next point here. The last point of this unit is called as what here? The uses of alcohol, phenol and ether. Clear? So what is the uses of alcohol, phenol and ether in day to day life? You know that these 3 chemicals are also very briefly used in the different types of purposes, like some compound are used in domestic purposes, some are used in the laboratory as a reagent, as a reactant, as a product. So we take the one by one, what is the uses of alcohol, phenol and ether. Clear? It is the last point of the our unit, that is called as what here? Alcohol, phenol, ether. Clear? ये जो लास्ट टॉपिक है आपका यूनिट का बेटा, इसके बाद यूनिट फिनिश हो जाएगा हमारा अल्कोहल, फिनॉल, एथर. ठीक है. नाइट्रेशन लास्ट रिएक्शंस थी, केमिकल रिएक्शंस वो फिनिश किया. क्लियर है. नाउ वी टेक द व्हाट हियर? द यूजेस ऑफ अल्कोहल, फिनॉल. क्लियर. अब इसमें आपको पता है ये कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है बेटा? माइनर है. इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? मेजर प्रोडक्ट. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन, uses of alcohol, phenol, ether. You know what is alcohol? First of all, alcohol is a what? The compound in which the hydroxy group attached to the aliphatic compound called as the alcohol. Now we take the uses of alcohol. So alcohol are the important compound which are used as solvent for many chemical reaction. It is also used as solvent for paint and varnish. It is a one type of coloring process, paint and varnish. In the paint and varnish, the alcohol are used as solvent. Clear? And alcohol also used as antifreeze agent. What here? What is the antifreeze agent? So the agent which are used in the automobile called as the antifreeze agent. Clear? Alcohol are also used as a reagent. Alcohol are also used as reagent in many chemical reactions. In many chemical reactions. Clear? So in this way the alcohol are used as solvent for the paint and varnish, then antifreeze agent in the automobile, okay, and last as a reagent in the many chemical reactions. Clear? We also added some different types of uses of alcohol. It is also used in different types of chemical purposes. Okay? Okay, so on. Now we take the second B topic here. What? The phenol. So you know phenol? Phenol, it means the hydroxy group, means OH group are attached to the aromatic ring called as the phenol. The second name of phenol is called as the carbolic acid. So this phenol are used in the preparation, especially the phenol are used in the preparation of bakelite. The bakelite is a one type of polymer called as a resin polymer. So the phenol are especially used in the preparation of bakelite, and these bakelite are prepared, it is a one type of polymer, and these polymer are prepared two types of monomer. One is called as the formaldehyde and second is called as what here? The phenol. That's why the combination of these two monomer, phenol and what here? The formaldehyde to form the bakelite. So the phenol are used in the preparation of bakelite. Bakelite are what here? Especially resin or what here? The polymer. Then next, the phenol are also used as the antiseptic agent. What here? You know the boric acid, okay, different types of liquid which are used as a antiseptic. These antiseptic agent are prepared with the help of phenol. You know antiseptic means what here? This one types of what here? The chemical which are used on the outer side of body called as the antiseptic. For example, Dettol, clear? For example, Dettol contain a phenol. So this phenol are used as a antiseptic, clear? Next here, the room freshener or freshener, any types of freshener, it also contain a what here? Phenol. Next, the phenol are also used in the preparation of calamine lotions and what here? The floor cleaner, like that what here? The Harpic, okay, different types of what here? Variety in the market, this contain a phenol. So phenol are used as what here? Floor cleaning agent, clear? So it's all about the what? The uses of the what? Alcohol and phenol. Next, now we take the third point here, ether. So ether is also important factor or important chemical which are used in the different types of many chemical reactions. First of all, we take the what? Ether. So diethyl ether are used as what here? Antiseptic as well as anesthetic, okay, especially the diethyl ether. It means that we take the uses of ether. So ether, you know ether what here? Ether is first of all the chemical in which the two similar alkyl group or aryl group or one alkyl group or second aryl group attached to oxygen called as ether. So ether, it means specially diethyl ether formula what here? CH3 single bond O, single bond CH3 or C2H5 O C2H5, it is called as diethyl ether. So diethyl ether are specially used as anesthetic. What indicates? So this one types of process called as anesthetic in the different types of surgical operation. So it means it is a chemical which are used as the anesthetic in the many surgical what here? Operations. So that's why the ether are used as anesthetic as well as used as solvent for many chemical reaction like GR called is what here? The Grignard reagent and wax and oils and fats, clear? So ether are also used as anesthetic in the many different types of operations as well as what here? It is used as solvent for GR means a Grignard reagent and next here the fats, wax and oils. So it's all about what? The uses of a different chemical compound like the alcohol, phenol, ether, and it's the last chemical reactions, the nitrations, okay? So it's all about the what here? The unit number what here? 11, that is called what here? The alcohol, phenol, ether, clear? इस तरीके से बेटा ये यूनिट हमारा फिनिश हुआ यहाँ पर, क्लियर? लास्ट पॉइंट हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया नाइट्रेशंस. नाउ वी टेक द लास्ट पॉइंट हियर अबाउट यूजेस ऑफ अल्कोहल, फिनॉल एंड ईथर, क्लियर? क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के लिए अगर आया आपको तो आपको यूजेस 4 लिखना पड़ेगा. ईच कंपाउंड, फॉर एग्जांपल राइट डाउन द यूजेस ऑफ अल्कोहल, क्वेश्चन अगर आता है आपको तो ईच 1 मार्क्स हैव 2 पॉइंट, इट मीन्स वी राइट अ 4 पॉइंट टू 2 मार्क्स, ठीक है? So we also added a different types of different uses of alcohol, phenol as well as what here? Ether. So it's all about the uses of alcohol, phenol. ठीक है, क्लियर है? अब जो आपका यूनिट हो चुका है बेटा फिनिश, इसकी नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है आपको, क्लियर? और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कॉल कर सकते हो. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.